Cucamonga. They're really great about substituting things, and it has a wonderful California Mexican cuisine flair to it. Substituted the rice and beans for some amazing grilled vegetables, and I got a little side of guacamole and pico de gallo on the side. In Disney's California Adventure is a fabulous restaurant to go and unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of the California Adventure Park. Now, of course, the prices are much higher than your grab-and-go restaurants, but the food really does match up to the price. I just had an amazing meal of ceviche with fried plantain chips and a grilled salmon with roasted baby sweet potatoes underneath. The dining room and the patio upstairs, where you can actually view the nighttime fireworks, fill up quickly and do require reservations. But if you don't get one, just go ahead and head down to the bar and lounge, enjoy a 1930s style cocktail, and even order some of the more affordably priced tapas style dishes. The mole verde braised pork cheek tostaditos with avocado were incredible, and I got some house-made potato chips instead of the corn shells to eat them on. You can also get a butcher's plate with prosciutto and salami, a little bit of cheese, and dried nuts and dried fruit. The bar is a great option because you can get in and out quicker and get back to those wonderful California adventure rides. If your kids aren't as thrilled about the gourmet bar food as you are, you can pop across the street to the Hollywood Pictures back lot and grab them a gourmet sausage or hot dog with a gluten-free bun, or of course you can just take the bun off and eat it with a knife and fork.